Hi, to turn on and off mobile data on your iPhone 16e, firstly make sure that SIM card is installed in the phone, of course, and if yes, then go in Settings. Here find this section Cellular, and now you can enable or disable mobile data from here by tapping on this switcher. So if you can see that it is green like in my case, then mobile data is on and you'll see corresponding icon in the top right corner. So let me disable Wi-Fi and you'll see the icon. So here it is, 5G mobile data. And to turn it off, you'll need to tap on the switcher like that. And you'll see that personal hotspot is now unavailable as well. And now the way how you can reach mobile data is through your control center. So swipe down from top right corner. Here you need to tap on the square tab and find cellular data. If you can see status on, then it is enabled. To disable, tap it once. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.